Hey guys, I want to know, have any of you guessed yet where I'm at? Or what are you like? I'm sure I know. This ship, sorry, I almost fell again. This ship's rocking just a little bit. I'm actually on a different ship than what I normally cruise on, but I'm trying to get you a different perspective. I am actually on a birthday cruise for my sister. So this cruise is completely different from anything that I have done since 2008, I think, was from the last time that I was on uh, this particular class of ship. So I'm letting everyone kind of get their guest in, and we'll go from there. But on my way.